Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw the Pokemon Umbreon, which is one of the evolutions of the Pokemon Eevee. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Umbreon, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right here and we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve up and it's going to come right to about there. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down to here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up. Then it's going to come to a point, it's going to come out, and it's going to get skinny as it comes back. Up here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up. It's going to come to a point, it's going to curve out, and then come back down here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve in, and we're going to leave a little space right there. Now, instead of starting on this line, we're going to start up here. We're going to make a line that's going to come in, and that's going to come out and back in again. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down, and it's going to come to here. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come down to about there. It's kind of looking like a deer right now. Starting right about here, we're going to add a little kind of like smiley face shape with just a little bit of a curve. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to come over. I'm going to go up and kind of curve into here. You can see it's kind of skinny here and then a little bit wider up here. Right here, we're going to take this line and bring it down to here. And we're going to make a little line that's going to go out and then up. Show where the other foot is. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. Then we're going to go down like this. We're going to make this line come down a little longer. We're going to curve down, and then we're going to come over like this. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to bring it right to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. I'm going to go down at an angle. Make a little line that's going to go down and then over for the foot. Next, we're going to come up and then bring it up to here. Now, starting back here, we want to make the tail. So to do this, we're going to make a line that's going to come out with a curve. It's going to come to a point, then it's going to go out and get nice and skinny as it comes back. Now, starting up here, we want to make the eyes. So the first thing we want to do is starting right here, we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come down for one eye. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up for a nice big eye. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and it's going to come up to here. We're going to make a little line that comes down here. We're going to come back up a little bit. And then we're just going to leave a little like chunk taken out of it for like a little part of a reflection. Starting here, we're just going to make a little tiny kind of small dot for the nose. And then we want to add some of the quick little details on here. Let's start on the ears. We're just going to make two little stripes like this for an ear and two stripes like this for another ear. I'm going to draw one here and one right here. I'm going to put an oval right here and then another oval right inside of here. Right here, I'm going to add an oval with a smaller oval inside. Right here, we're gonna make an oval shape with another tiny one inside. And there you go, there is your drawing of Umbreon from Pokemon. Now you can always go and add another little pupil right here, just kind of color it in a little bit. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.